everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 30th to the 3rd of September 2021. Kanyol tells Sebenzile to give Kamadonsela space at her home following her release from prison, and Nokzola starts receiving pre-wedding gift. Zitulele invites Nkululeko to his wedding, giving the impression that he's forgiven Nkulu for sleeping with his fiancé. And Iboniso tries to stop the wedding. There is a shooting at the wedding, and Nirupa's vital aren't looking good as she fights for her life in hospital. Kamadonsela, meanwhile, has a calling that will complicate her life as a pastor's wife. Guys, I really don't think Nokzola and Zitulele's marriage will last longer. I mean, there is a secret looming, and Nkululeko is willing to fight for what belongs to him. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next